how to use ChatGPT without phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can use ChatGPT without a phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to use ChatGPT without phone number, so all I'm going to do is open up my browser, go to chat.openai.com, which is the official website. You can also download the app if you're on mobile, but just for the general context I'm going to show it on my browser. So let's say that you don't have a ChatGPT account. You tap the sign up option. Normally the normal way to sign up is via your email address. One thing you have to understand is that if you're trying to use ChatGPT without phone number, ChatGPT doesn't require you to have a phone number to use their platform. Yes, it's as simple as that. ChatGPT will not ask for your phone number. So only if you try to create an independent email address, you can say it says note that phone verification may be required for sign up. But if you're lucky, what you can do is you can choose to sign up using your Google, Microsoft or your Apple account. So if you have any of these three IDs over here, instead of creating an independent email address and trying to sign up using that, you can sync with these social platforms, and when you sync with these social platforms, ChatGPT will not require you to enter your phone number, and it's as simple as that. This way you'll be able to use ChatGPT without a phone number. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.